Okay, now let's move on to some of the properties of your magnet. Okay, properties of your magnet. Okay, the first one is this. Okay, all magnets have two poles. Okay, and you know that what are two poles? Okay, all magnets have two poles. So what are the two poles? You have your north pole and you have your south pole. Okay, most of you have already familiar with this. Next one is this. Okay, the magnetic effect are strongest at the two poles. At the two poles. Okay, magnetic effect are the strongest at the two poles. So if I were to draw a bar magnet attracting some paper clips, you expect that you will see more on the two ends. Maybe 3 paper clips. When you come closer to the middle, the magnetic effect is lesser, so it only attracts 2. And finally, one paper clip here. Okay, so this thing here shows that the magnet is strongest. Okay, the magnet is strongest at the two pole. Okay, now another thing is this. Okay, let's look at the third magnetic property here. Third property that we have is that a freely suspended magnet. Okay, freely suspended magnets will always align itself with the north pole of the magnet, north pole of magnet facing the north pole of the Earth. And obviously the other one is the south pole of the magnet will face the south pole of the Earth. Okay, this is the third property of your magnet. And of course, the last one is something that we all know, okay, which is, this is important, like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Okay, so just take note of this. Like poles repel, unlike poles attract. Actually, there's something interesting here. Within this point, there's something you must take note. Repulsion indicates that let me guess. Indicates that a material is a magnet. But attraction does not do so. Does not indicate so. So this means that repulsion tells you that something is a magnet, but attraction doesn't. You know why? Because if there's attraction, it may be a magnet or it may be a magnetic material. We do not know which of it is. Okay, we do not know. But once you know that there's a repulsion, definitely it's a magnet. Okay, this is definitely for sure. Okay, we know that once there's a repulsion, it means that it must be a magnet. So these are the properties of your magnet. Okay, so just take note of this.